This guy is really resourceful and full of initiative. He only used a few bucks to create an amazing DIY air conditioner. Not only is its cooling effect remarkable, but its power consumption is also extremely low. Even running continuously all day, it uses less than 1 unit of electricity. Watching until the end, I finally understood what a master mechanic is capable of. Next, I'll share the manufacturing process with everyone. First, you need to prepare a length of copper tubing. Then, straighten and unbend it. This will make it easier to mark the copper tube. After that, use a bending tool to bend it. When you bend to the third section, you'll have a U-shaped device. This device is mainly used as an evaporator. After cutting off the excess part and simultaneously bending one end of the copper tube outward 90 degrees, the evaporator is complete. Next, we'll create the condenser from the remaining copper tubing. We'll still use a similar method to process the steel pipe. The difference this time is that it forms a circular device with more coils. Next, prepare a small water pump and a fan. Connect and secure the fan wires to the motor. Additionally, you need to solder a number 1 tip onto the motor. If you can solder an additional connection point, it will be more convenient. After that, fix the evaporator and condenser onto a base. Next, prepare a smaller copper tube to act as a connecting pipe between the two components. This pipe helps guide the refrigerant in, causing the larger copper tube to vaporize and absorb surrounding heat, creating a cooling effect. Continue by fixing the fan in the middle of the two components. The motor can be attached to the side. After securing everything, use a rubber hose to connect the condenser's outlet to the water pump. Use a transparent plastic tube to connect the evaporator box, making it easier to observe its operating status. Finally, use a syringe to inject lighter gas into the system. Use glue to seal the injection hole. Just wait for the glue to dry and you're done. Thus, a simple yet effective DIY cooling air conditioner has been completed. When you turn on the power, the air conditioner will immediately start working. After just a few minutes, the surface begins to frost over. This proves that the device works extremely efficiently. Moreover, the power consumption is very low. Even using it all day won't exhaust 1 unit of electricity. If it runs continuously, the cooling efficiency is even better, potentially reaching -20 degrees Celsius or even -30 degrees Celsius. If placed in a thermal water region, it will become a portable refrigerator. When going out or traveling in the summer, you can drink cold water anytime. It's truly amazing. On a scale of 1 to 10, how many points would you give it?